Martin Jakobsen. I'm Managing Director of Cybanetix, one of the only active MSPs in Europe for Exabeam. We've worked with Exabeam for the last year, building our MSP program out and our managed services offering out. When we built our managed SIEM service, we were kind of looking out for building something that was different, and UBA was the obvious next-gen SIEM technologies on the market. We kind of looked around, and one of the things we saw was that classic SIEM technologies, like a lot of the major vendors in the market, frankly, it was technically too hard to capture all the threats that we get today. So as we looked around, we said we need a UBA overlay as a minimum to our SOC service. And looking around, Exabeam just was the perfect fit for multiple reasons. They were kind of one of the most mature UBAs in the market, but also the way they convey the threats that gets detected, or notable users as they call it, it literally conveys it in human language. And when building a SOC and a managed service, one of the challenges that most organizations have today is it's hard to find good qualified security staff. What we can do with Exabeam is we can lower the level of staff we have, which has two purposes. It's easy to find it, but also it's cheaper. But the other thing that we get out of that is actually we just react faster to anything in our SOC now. And the outcome for customers is that we can detect things that we couldn't detect before. We can do it faster. We can generally just deliver a better service, and we can do it at a better price point. So there's several things in the choosing and the making up of a SIEM that essentially led us to Exabeam. And frankly, working with them is a pleasure. They're a fun organisation, at the same time they're exceptionally professional, technically capable, and the partnership has been very successful for us.